Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to see actually today I am going to assemble those four parts which we have made in previous four videos. Okay, and later on we will make some more parts of that, but today we are going to assemble all those four. So for that we are selected the assembly plane, assembly design, and now what we are going to do, we are going to browse these. Okay, for browsing what we have to select all these four parts that we have made in last four videos. Okay, so firstly select this part, open it and place it here. Okay, now what we are going to do, uh, let's see first it's fixed or not. Yeah, it's fixed. So what we are going to do, where the insert component, so go for the another part, that was the pipe, open it, let's put that here, and again go for the third part, that was this one, open it, put it here. Let's go for the last but not the least, that was the motor part. Okay, let's put it here. So all the four parts are selected over here. Now what we are going to do, we are going for the to connect these two bodies, we have to do a mate. Okay, for that what we are going to do, we are going to select this internal plane and select this external plane, and let's, what's going on, not tangent, not perpendicular, we want a concentric. That's okay, let's release this. What we are going to do, first let's select mate. Okay, select this internal body, or let's delete this, select this part, select this part. Now it's concentric. Yeah, hit okay. And what we are going to do, we are going to insert it slightly, push it slightly downward. So for that, hit okay there, and move it right. What happened to this again? Why it's not moved? Is the plane off? Yeah, that's why it's not. Let's move it with the thread. Still it's not showing. I don't know why, but that's okay. So the hole is covered with this pipe. Yeah, that's okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to select, go for another mate. Okay, select this and this one, and I think we should go for concentric. It's not taking again, cancel it. Let's move it here. What we are going to do, select this hole, go for mate, select this hole, why doesn't it taking? Let's see, by zooming it in, go for mate, select this circle, select this circle. I don't want tangent here. No, sorry. Now that's looking quite good. Let's see. Yeah, and if we click here, first hit OK, and then I have to move it with triad. Is that okay? I think so. And that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. So now what we have to do, we have to go for matte, delete this, select the surface and the internal. So we are getting a intersection between these where the mortar is colliding with the pipe, so we have to cut out that part. So for that, what we are going to do, just hit OK here for now, and we have to cut out the diameter of that part over here. Okay, so for that we have to open this part in the project 4. First hit OK here, go for file, open recent. The part was 15th, I think so. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select a plane. That's not the correct thing. Yeah, that's all. Go for sketch, but it will cut like this now, and we want in that direction. So exit, go for right plane, go for sketch, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a circle over here. What will be the dimension? The dimension will be of 58. What is the smart dimension? Go for diameter, it will be 58. Yeah, and now I'm going to push it little in downward direction. Yeah, that's okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extrude cut that in both the direction 2. That's it. Okay, so the part is cut it out. So let's save it, and let's see in assembly 1. Yes, so the part is now well settled. So it's looking like a fan, sorry, a motor on stand. What we are making actually is a fan on a small stand. So in the next video we are going to design the fins of the fan, and later on we will assemble on this. So let's save this, part as save as assembly 2, because we have done assembly design before. So save it. So for in next video we are going to design the fins of this part. So till then, bye bye.